Hey everyone, how's it going? As you know, we're getting ready to dive into some really exciting bots that will be released in the upcoming months, particularly in Q4, October, November, and December. Today I've got a super popular bot that's been making waves lately, and it's already verified by Telegram with close to 15 million users. That's a massive number. While this bot might seem a bit complicated at first, don't worry, I'm here to simplify everything for you. The bot's airdrop will be happening in November, so you've still got time to get in on it and make the most of it. Before we jump into today's video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Your support really helps keep this content coming. Also, don't forget to join our Telegram group. You'll get the latest updates there before they even hit YouTube. Plus, I'm personally active in the chat. If you ever need anything, feel free to message me or any of the admins, and we'll be happy to assist you. All right, let's dive into the bot we're discussing today, SeedBot. The interface might look a bit overwhelming at first, but trust me, it's not that bad once you get the hang of it. The first thing you'll want to do is click on Check News when you open the bot. This is where you can start mining your tokens. After you hit Check News, it'll direct you to a page with all the updates. Then you can head back to the bot. This page alone has over 10 million users, which is impressive. Once you've checked the news, you'll see a counter below, which tells you how much you're mining. If you hit Claim, those tokens get added to the tokens you already have up top. Now, when you first start using the bot, it mines for you every 2 hours. Since I've been using it for a while, it mines every 12 hours for me. I'll explain how you can speed up your mining process and how to adjust the bot settings to save yourself some time while still maximizing your earnings. Now, back to the claiming process. When you hit Claim, the tokens you had will be added to your balance already have, bringing the total up to 68. Mining is essential for increasing your balance, and I'll also show you some other ways to speed things up. But initially, you'll have to check the bot every 2 hours to claim your rewards, and I'll guide you on how to upgrade that time later. Let's now head over to the airdrop section, which is on the bottom right. Here, the bot outlines 5 things that will affect your airdrop rewards. First, it tracks your balance. The tokens you have will influence your airdrop rewards. Second, it looks at your progress in the bot, like how many birds and eggs you've collected. Third, it's about inviting friends. The more friends you bring in, the more you'll earn, just like in the hamster bot. Inviting friends played a big role in boosting earnings there, and it's the same concept here. Additionally, you'll need to make sure you're subscribed to their Telegram channels, YouTube, and other platforms like X. The last requirement is to add seed next to your username, as this is necessary for the snapshot. Don't worry though, you don't have to keep it forever, just until the snapshot is taken. If you don't, you'll still get some of the airdrop but at a reduced rate. Moving on to the withdraw section, this is currently locked. Pay attention to the 4th tab, which is likely like Bybit and the second one like OKX. Hopefully, the bot's profits will benefit all of us. Now, heading to the Friends section, this is where you'll see the friends you've invited. You get 2 gems for each friend, and you also get 10% of their earnings. Don't worry, this doesn't come out of their share. Next up is the Boost section, which is critical. This is where all the magic happens. The first option you'll see is Storage. Initially, the bot allows you to store mining rewards for 2 hours, but as you upgrade, you can stretch that to 4 hours and so on. Right now, I've maxed it out to 24 hours, meaning I only need to check the bot once a day. The goal is to store as much as possible to increase your earnings. The other 2 options increase your mining speed, so I highly recommend upgrading them together. In the Earn section, there are a ton of tasks to complete for additional tokens. Yesterday, for example, I completed a bunch of them, like putting seed next to your name, joining the WeCoin bot, and inviting friends. Each task gives you different rewards. There's also a login bonus that gives you extra tokens each day. For example, on the first day you get 0.1 tokens, on the second day 0.2, and so on until you reach the 7th day when you'll earn 1 full token. Now let's talk about the spinner feature. Here I've got 73 tickets. Each spin uses 1 ticket and gives you rewards, like egg pieces. Once you collect 5 pieces, they merge into a full egg, which can hatch into a bird. The more birds you have, the better your airdrop rewards will be. So don't forget to use your spins. They're crucial for maximizing your earnings. There's also a section where you can join clans. Right now, ours only 50 left. Hurry up and join us. However, I'll be upgrading it soon to allow more people to join. So there you have it, a complete walkthrough of Seedbot. Take your time, use the strategies I've shared to maximize your mining, and don't forget to check in daily to claim your rewards and increase your airdrop potential. That's it for today's update. If there are any further updates or changes to this airdrop, I'll make sure to create another video to keep you all informed. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to join the Telegram group to get the daily code and stay updated. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel.